Hi, my name is John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of the man.
I have to say I'm relieved.
Then I'm not a catfish?
That you're tall.
I am tall.
You are tall.
Have you been on a date with a short man?
I've never really been able to see eye to eye with short men. Hi, my name is Martina, and I'll be a server tonight. Can I start you with something to drink?
We'll have a bottle of the Biondi Santi Reserva Brunello, 2011.
I'll be right back with it.
It's what the Queen drinks.
Which queen?
Are there a lot of them running around out there?
At least a dozen, surely.
Well, I don't know what the other 11 drink, but the English Queen loves her Biondi Santi.
And what kind of food pairs well with a Biondi Santi?
Just about anything. I'll probably get something light though. I had a massive lunch. Brazilian steakhouse.
For lunch?
It wasn't my first choice. Work meeting.
Your profile said you work for a think tank, right?
I work for the think tank. The Rand Corporation.
And what do you do there?
I think.
Oh, he's coy.
Stoic, maybe.
Is that what stoic looks like?
I'd rather not say.
Please enjoy. And have you decided what you'd like to order?
We need a few more minutes.
Of course. Are you going to ask what I do?
For your job?
That's usually what the phrase means, does it not?
And what a shame that it does.
How so?
When someone asks us what we do, we automatically assume they mean occupationally. Who we work for, where our paychecks come from.
Is that American theme, you think?
You know, I've traveled to 18 countries, and I still can't figure out if how I act is really a composition of American things or just me. What I do know is that most people are far more interesting than their careers. So what do you do? And we'll cut it there.